Hello everybody, here's my latest in my series of pheasants. The first one was the golden pheasant and the second one was the Reeves pheasant, and they both sold, so I wanted one for me. So this is the Chinese copper pheasant, more commonly known as Lady Amherst pheasant, because Lady Amherst introduced it to London in 1828. Now the tail of the pheasant is the longest fusion I can make here in my studio. It's the diagonal of my big kill. And the body is also one piece of glass. So the whole pheasant is just two pieces of glass. The palette is triadic. So if we look, we've got the secondary colours. We've got the orange, the green and the violet. And they form an equilateral triangle on the colour wheel, which is what's making it so zappy and giving it such punch. It's really singing out. Those oranges are amazing, don't you think? Anyway, here he is, and as usual I've written an accompanying verse which I think explains it all, and it goes like this. Lady Amherst pheasant, you've heard of Lady Chatterley and her lover. Well, I'm here to declare that I'm his brother, and it's lovely sitting in this bed feeling rather pleasant knowing that I'm Lady Amherst's pheasant.